vlogging has been a little bit dead this past week. Past week and a half. I was supposed to upload a studio vlog on Tuesday and didn't. I've been feeling like crap. It's not COVID related. It's something going on with my back again. But I just thought I would give you an update on this little cat that I just finished. Well, it's not finished. It's a witch cat for day 6 of Cattober. I also have these up here as well, and I'm also including this one right here, Jigsaw, and this cat right here in my Friday video, which is going to be on the 9th, but if you're watching this on the Tuesday, you have to go back video to be able to watch it. So that's included with that. So I thought, yeah, I didn't really want to vlog, so I didn't. And I feel like right now I'm even just rambling with stuff. I know this one right here looks a little bit similar to the one that I sent Ashley for last, for the first of the month. But I wanted to do another cat anyway, and I'm thinking of actually turning this one into a handmade lapel pin. I don't know if it's going to work. I also think I want to include this one as a sticker too. So we'll see how that works. I'm going to take a picture of it before I start painting it, just in case I screw it up. But this one here, I don't know if you can tell by the paper that I'm using. Let's try that again, shall we? Up here, this one right here is a different texture. This is Strathmore Mixed Media, no, not Strathmore Mixed Media, it's Strathmore watercolor paper. And the same thing with the other two that I have here. This one is just on a different angle. This one right here is Winsor & Newton paper that Jeremy's grandfather gave me way back in 2010. And I haven't really done anything with it. I've painted a couple pictures, but you can see that the grain or the tooth is a bit different. So this is the maybe the second or third time I've actually painted on this type of watercolor paper. So alright guys, so here's the deal. The top down thing is gone. I recorded 2 videos that I was going to use for art videos on Friday. Both came out blurry and I couldn't use any of the footage. And I got fed up. I've been having a very rough week, but I am still getting some artwork done. So these are the 4 prompts. I have 5 done. One of the pieces that I've done with one of the other cats that you can see on the Instagram feed has been sent to a patron. So that's not with these, but these are the ones that I have done, and the only one that I'm a little iffy about is the cat on the end. It didn't turn out quite as planned, but I am turning it into a Patreon exclusive sticker for the month of November. I know it's supposed to be autumn type stuff, but I really like it. I'm going to turn it into a sticker, see how it looks. If it's no good, I won't use it, but that's pretty much how it is. But I've cleaned white paper off my desk. I'm just going to do the prompts. I'm going to have fun with them. I'm going to put them over on the Instagram feed, include them, little snippets here and there in my vlogs, and hopefully people appreciate them. I don't have the patience for the top-down videos, especially if I'm going to put so much time recording something and the footage looks like crap. I mean, I have lighting galore. I'm in a room that's bright. I have an overhead light. I have my humongous bulb right here that's pretty bright, and the ISO, I think this was the ISO thing on the camera, is turned up bright, and this camera here films a better picture than my DSLR. So at some point in time when I'm not as upset as what I am currently, because it's Friday and I don't have a video, and I didn't put one up on Tuesday either because I was hoping to have one for today. I'm going to eventually try and record something using my phone and using this, because I do have a program on my computer that allows me to screen capture or record from my phone and use it as like a webcam, so to speak. So I'm going to try that. We'll see how that works. I don't know if it will, but we'll give it a go. Same thing goes with my iPad. But I feel like I just need to take some time and focus on the illustrations and get those up, because the big thing that I want to do right now is to work on building my Instagram feed, making it look better. And I think having these posts, I got nothing started on this one yet. I think having the posts daily of course, will attract some more people, and hopefully that will grow some followers over on Instagram, which then hopefully will push some people over to my Etsy shop and Patreon as well. That's my goal, because I said before that YouTube is not going to be my main thing anymore. So while I am upset that I don't have a video, yeah, I'm still gonna do my thing, and I'm trying to show you that I'm watching some Emily Harvey art. And just to let you know as well that I just put a 20% off sale on mostly everything in my shop. There's gonna be a lot of things that are gonna be discontinued after the end of the month, so if you want something, run over there and grab it before it's gone. All right, I'm gonna start this prompt right here, and hopefully I'll check back in with you a little bit later. Alright guys, I just wanted to come in and close out the vlog here, and I wanted to apologize again for not having a video on Friday. I know I did mention a little while ago in the video that I'm having some issues with, oh my goodness, got all the dust in the room. I'm having issues with my DSLR. I don't have the patience to fool around with that right now. I mean, with all of the time that's being taken away from the dog and running a household and me having health problems, I don't have time to take an entire day to sit down and fiddle around with a camera just trying to get some footage. So I hope you guys are appreciating all of the posts that I'm putting over on Instagram, and I'm trying to, the dust here is crazy. I cleaned everything just the other day, and it's you could see it all floating around in the video. But it's just, it's frustrating. I feel like I don't have enough time to do what I want to do, and it's all have been since I brought the dog home, and I feel bad saying it, but I kind of maybe made a bit of a bad decision with getting him, because he's been so hard to handle. He is so demanding of time. We've had puppies before, and we've had Lucy and Evie, and we have Pixie, and none of them were at his level of stubbornness or his wanting to go all the time. I know he is a gun dog or a bird dog, and we have been exercising him at least an hour or two every day. It's more on the 2-hour mark than it is the hour, but I mean, I take him out 5 or 6 times a day, run the yard with him. I've been walking him, playing fetch, playing ball, and then he goes out and runs with the little one a little bit, and then the husband takes him out when he gets home from work, and then the kid takes him out for half an hour and runs around the yard playing soccer and playing ball with him, and he's constantly going all all the time, and it doesn't seem to be enough for him, and I'm sure you guys are sick and tired of me talking about him. And he has some kind of allergy, and we can't figure out what it is. We thought it was the laundry detergent, so we switched that. It's been over a month, and he's still nibbling at himself, and he's doing it right now. We've changed his food from stuff with chicken meal in it to salmon and vegetables, I believe it is. So he's not getting any meat products at all, not even in a treat, because we haven't even been giving him treats other than sweet potato and rice treats that are apparently vegetarian and good for dogs that have allergies. It doesn't seem to be the food. It's been about 3 weeks now since we've changed the food, and it hasn't made a difference. We've changed the laundry detergent, the cleaning detergent, the food. We've given him Benadryl. Nothing seems to work. And we've kind of figured that it's him not getting his way, and he's scratching and biting himself out of frustration. I don't see how it could be boredom because he doesn't stop. Right now he's chewing his feet, and there's absolutely nothing I can do to stop him. I can put a cone on his head, the e-collar, but I mean, it doesn't help the situation in the long run, and we don't know. The only thing we can think that's the problem is the grass in the backyard. So, that's the only thing that we can see that's causing the problem. But anyway, it's very frustrating. And I know I'm sitting here talking to you right now, excuse me, and I could be working on art stuff, but I wanted to close out the vlog. And I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm sorry for not having an art video. And unless I can do something, like I don't have a very big room. It may seem like it's a nice size if you're looking at it on camera, or if I'm taking a picture, it looks really big. But if I had to put my two, like this light I'm using over here is one of my umbrella lights that I bought a long time ago. This bulb doesn't even work the way that it used to. It's not white light anymore. For whatever reason, I guess the discoloration of the bulb is making it look different. So I have that one, and then I have another one that I can put an umbrella in. Dust again. But I don't physically have the room to set it up. And if I set it up, then I have to take it down, then I have to put it up, then I have to take it down, put it up, take it down. I don't have the patience to do that. And while I really want to make YouTube videos, there's only so many things that I can do in a run of the day before I start to get anxious and get, you know, frustrated with myself. And I think I need that cool down period, and I thought that I was going to get that over the weekend, but the weekend was a little bit hectic as well, and it doesn't stop. But I'm going to close out the vlog here since I've been rambling for 5 minutes. Let me guys know what your coping techniques are for if you have a really busy life, or you have a very stressful life, and you only have maybe a couple of hours a day to be able to sit down and do something. Let me know what you guys do to work through that, and maybe I can take something away from it and it might help me. But I think I'm going crazy. I really do. I'm not in a bad mental way, as in like hurting myself or things like that. It's just talking down to myself a lot, getting frustrated with myself, and just not being in the right state of mind, and it needs to be fixed. I need to be able to fix that myself, and maybe with some advice or some coping skills or something, maybe that'll help. So I hope you guys did have a great weekend. I hope you had a great Thanksgiving weekend here in Canada. I know Thanksgiving for the US is not until later. I think it's in November, before Christmas. Comes the month before Christmas is what I mean. And but yeah, I hope you guys had a great weekend. I hope you did something creative. If you did, let me know down below. And I'm gonna go, and I'm 6 days behind on the drawing prompts now. So this is the one that I had drawn last night. So it's a scarecrow. So I'm gonna get that one done hopefully in the next hour. And I'm going to see if I can't catch up today. And then tomorrow is going to be dedicated to tomorrow's Wednesday. I have take-ups tomorrow, Wednesday, or tomorrow is Wednesday. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday is going to be dedicated to Patreon stuff. I don't know if you can hear him scratching or not, but now he's at his ears. Yeah, he doesn't have a yeast infection in his ears anymore. That's all gone, taken care of, but I don't know. If you have any suggestions on that, let me know that too. All right, guys, I will see you
Maybe in a Friday video. I don't know. If not, I'll see you guys next week for another studio vlog. Bye for now.